You won't believe the breathtaking visuals I witnessed on a 4K screen. Thanks to the sheer power of the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card. This behemoth of a GPU is capable of rendering mind-bending frame rates, effortlessly tackling the most demanding games and compute-intensive tasks with precision and finesse. For years, gamers and content creators have faced a daunting challenge: to upgrade their rigs without breaking the bank or sacrificing performance. But what if you're one of the fortunate few who can splurge on the cream of the crop, the creme de la creme of the graphics world? That's where the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card comes in. This GPU is powered by the revolutionary NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, which has rewritten the rulebook on performance, energy efficiency, and power management. Its innovative design combines the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, computer vision, and game development to produce images that are nothing short of awe-inspiring. But I know what you're thinking. What about all the other graphics cards on the market? What sets this one apart from the competition? Let me tell you, the market was lacking a game changer, a true powerhouse that would silence the critics and leave a lasting impression on the gaming community. That's exactly what the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card did. When I first unboxed the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card, I was taken aback by its sheer size and heft. The 3.8 slot design is anything but subtle, with a massive heatsink and fin array that's designed to optimize airflow from the 4 axial tech fans. The build quality is nothing short of exceptional, with a rugged aluminum finish that exudes premiumness. As I began to assemble my rig, I felt a sense of excitement and anticipation. Would this behemoth of a GPU live up to its lofty promises? I plugged it in, powered it up, and fired up my favorite game. The result? Jaw-dropping performance that left me speechless. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details. This graphics card boasts a quad-fan design that boosts airflow and pressure by up to 20%, making it an ideal choice for those who want to take their gaming experience to the next level. But what about noise levels? Fear not. These fans are designed to keep noise levels in check, ensuring an immersive experience that won't disturb your loved ones. One of the most significant innovations is the patented vapor chamber with a milled heat spreader. This cutting-edge design enables lower GPU temperatures by up to 20% compared to traditional heat sinks, leading to improved performance, reliability, and lifespan. The phase-change GPU thermal pad ensures optimal heat transfer, ensuring that even the most demanding applications won't slow down your rig. But what really sets the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card apart is its sheer raw power. With boost clocks of 2610 MHz in OC mode and 2580 MHz in default mode, this GPU is capable of tackling the most demanding games and applications with ease. The AI-enhanced performance is also worth mentioning, as it enables a more responsive and interactive experience. During my real-world testing, I pushed this GPU to its limits by running demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Assassin's Creed Odyssey on 4K resolutions. I must say, the results were nothing short of breathtaking. Not only did the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card deliver silky smooth performance, but it also handled the increased temperatures with ease thanks to its innovative thermal design. When it comes to reliability, the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card has an impressive 4-year warranty that speaks volumes about its build quality and manufacturer's confidence. In fact, the 3-year extended warranty offered by ASUS is a testament to the reliability and performance of this GPU. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card has three standout advantages. Firstly, its unparalleled performance makes it a must-have for gamers and content creators who demand the best. Secondly, its innovative thermal design ensures reliable operation, even in the most demanding applications. Lastly, its sleek design and premium build quality make it a statement piece that would complement any gaming rig. However, there is one drawback, albeit a minor one. The 3.8 slot design, while aesthetically pleasing, may require additional space in your rig, potentially making it unsuitable for smaller cases. But trust me, the benefits far outweigh this minor trade-off. When compared to its competitors, the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card stands tall as the undisputed champion. The RTX 4080, with its dated design and lower performance, is no match for this behemoth of a GPU. The RTX 4090, while a formidable opponent, falls short in terms of energy efficiency and thermal performance. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card is a masterpiece of engineering that sets a new benchmark for the industry. With its unparalleled performance, innovative thermal design, and sleek design, it's a must-have for gamers and content creators who demand the best. If you want to experience the ultimate